So guys, after arranging the stuff that morning, I had to quickly prepare okra soup just like I showed in the previous video, because we were waiting for our last one to come, my kid sister to come over, so we could go to the island together. I think what's the name of the market again? Balogun. So we're supposed to go to Balogun market together, and the last time I went there, Jesus, it was more than hectic. It was so strenuous, it was so stressful. And I said today, no, I'm going to have something heavy, something very, very heavy before before leaving the house, because my last experience was not funny at all. The enormous number of people in the market, the pushing, the everything about it was not for me at all. So I said no. Since we are going, you know how it is now. During Christmas period, you don't wait for Christmas period proper for you to buy things you need. So we decided to go earlier so we can be able to get something cheaper. So this is my kid sister. She's already here. And when she got here, she was like, "Oh, since you are not done with the preparation of the soup, just leave it less than like." At the end of the day, everybody can pay for preparing the food, because we came back very late. Just keep watching, guys.
To be still for a second, take a breath and let it go. To be still for a moment, be still and
No. I papa. Yeah, my name is. Nice shy.
So after having a little fun time with my siblings, I had to quickly go back to my food, to my soup. I added a little dry fish to the fresh fish I bought, added some oil, red oil, and then I started my cooking.
be still for a moment, be still and know.
And everything was rushed. I had to be as fast as I could, because I knew what we're going to the market to buy was going to take much time. So I had to be as fast as I could. I had to remove the features so they don't come in shreds after preparing my soup. I don't like it when my fish come in shreds. I prefer to remove them, and then after preparing my soup, I'll pour them back. So I removed them and left, I think, 2 that I felt were so strong and could stand the test of time. Yeah.
Listening when I'm out of breath, is it right to be still for a second, take a breath and let it go. To be still for a moment, be still and know.
And here the soup is ready. I actually felt bad that I had to leave the house after eating this kind of meal, because this soup was quite tasty. It was a tasty one. And normally this kind of food, when you have it on a Saturday, you just need to rest. Just have it and rest. Enjoy it. But this time around, we quickly dashed out immediately after eating. We even had to rush the eating and all, so we could meet up because we're already late. At a point, even my siblings that suggested I don't cook at all, and they relaxed and we started just saying while we ate because the soup was delicious. Here's my sister.
Even if all the pain in the world is too loud, I still can be still and
Oh my God, I'm not going to want the boldness every time I come out of home. That's what I'm doing. Look, I said, be out of home. I come on home. How was she faithful? I want to see that notice today. Come here. Right. That was more. That was where my mind went to the very first day.
And as soon as we finished eating, we quickly prepared to leave the house to the market, to Balogun market. Yeah, this is me. I don't even know how I look here. More like a rugged idiot. I didn't even understand that dressing. I didn't just get it. I guess I wasn't in the mood. I just wore whatever. As long as I'm good. And as soon as we dashed out of the gate of the compound, we quickly saw a tricycle, which we boarded, and then we headed straight to the bus stop. Here we are already in the market, guys. We went to a whole lot of places. I thought I could video, but I couldn't. Like, my legs were literally paining me. My legs were literally paining me like badly. We had to go to a lot of places. I couldn't just make all the videos. I'll just show you guys what we bought at the end of the day.